just a bit. Such a difference. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Marilyn's here, and today I'm about to do something that I probably have done on this channel if I'm thinking right now, but still I want to do. Today we're about to do another tutorial, another makeup tutorial. I hadn't planned to do today a green smoky eye, so yeah, let's get started. First step that we're gonna do is we're gonna wipe our face with micellar water.
Wiping the face with micellar water is an important step because in addition to removing all impurities, it also prepares the skin for the application of a moisturizer.
After we wiped our face, we must wait a little bit so it cool dry. After it dry, we must prime our face, and I will do it with the help of Benefit Multivital Cream from Lancome.
Any skin type needs hydration. Its main purpose is to create a smooth and long-lasting base for your makeup. Keep in mind that after using the moisturizer, you can also use primer to have a stronger base. It is also important to buy products that suits your skin. Your skin can be oily, dry, or mixed.
So after we prime our face, we must use a lip balm for our lips in order to make them soft and So now we must let the prime to absorb in our face, therefore we're gonna go further and continue with our eyebrows. As you can see, my eyebrows are not in the best shape, and I don't know why I'm not reserving the time in my really busy schedule in order to do it. Yeah, I guess I'm too busy doing nothing. I'm taking the brush from Sephora. It's just a regular eyebrows brush. I'm brushing my eyebrows a little bit, and then I'm just gonna go with the pomade, and this one is from Avon, from Collection Mark. So with the help of this pomade, I'm gonna just fix the empty spaces. One is done, and we must do the next one, and I'll come back after I finish it, promise. After I try my best to fix somehow with concealer my eyebrow, now we can move to the foundation. I have new goodies in here about the color that are mostly used, and these are 4N1 and the 2N1. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put more of 2N1, and then I'm gonna add just a little bit of 4N1. One more, I'm gonna use a drop of Avon True Color Flawless collection because this is a little bit more consistent. I'm taking my super brush, the one that I think I'm never gonna replace it since it's one of the best brushes. It's from Nestle 360. Now, if you'd like to have a more natural look, since it is actually visible that we do have foundation, we can use a sponge, a wet one, and you can take the excess product out of the face. But since I'm going with the glam today, I don't think I need sponge. So as I was saying, after foundation we must fix everything. Therefore I'm gonna go with the contour, and this is from Revolution, a #1 Mega Bronzer Coat.
Besides fixing the powder, the bronzer tends to sculpt. It highlights the features of the face. It is important to note that in addition to the nose and cheekbones, the peripheries of the face should also be emphasized.
Now we continue with the blush, and mine is from Essence, and I do have foundation under my nails. So, as I was saying, now we continue with the blush, and mine is from Essence, and this is number 40, which is Below. now I'm gonna go with the white translucent powder from Revolution just to fix my foundation really good, and highlighter I'm gonna add at the end. Now that our foundation is fixed with the powder, we can go to that. So as a base for the eyes, I'm gonna go with the concealer from Revolution, and this one is number C3. The next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go with a neutral color, and I'm gonna use the Naked palette color Tease, and we're gonna go on our eyelid. Since I say that we're doing a green smoky eyes, I do have some very cute colors in here, and this palette is from Revolution. Swear it's not a sponsored video. This palette is called Eyes, and it does have really splendid colors. I really love it. And we're gonna go with Drench color, which is this kind of mint, light mint color. We're going on top of that neutral color. We're going with the darker color, and this one is Melt. In the corners I'm gonna go with the Break color. In the middle I'm gonna go with this shimmery color, which is Titanic. Again, we're going with the bigger brush and we blend everything so it looks like actually smoky eyes.
The same thing must be done with the lower line of the eye, but this time just with the Melt color, which is the darker color.
Since our makeup is ready, we can go actually now with the mascara, eyelashes and highlight. So my camera turned off suddenly, the battery decided that it's time to be dead. As you can see, I did put mascara on and I did put my lashes on. Therefore now everything that we have to do is to put some highlighter. And for the highlighter I'm gonna use a limited edition color, and this is from the palette, again Revolution, but it's my favorite, Imagination. The last thing is lips. First of all, I'm applying the lip liner, and the one that I have is waterproof, and the color, I'm searching for the color. It's number 1 because it's from Essence and it's like really cheap, but the consistency and the resistance, As for the lipstick, I'm applying the Creamy Lip Color Soft and Matte collection from Golden Rose, and this one is 160. And we're done! So yes, as you can see, we already finished. Somehow the sun is coming when I speak. Wow, that's really nice. I am really happy with the look that it turned out. Yes, maybe it's a little bit green with more blue than actual green, but nevertheless we still got the smoky eye. I do hope you like it. I do hope the tutorial was really useful for you and that it wasn't too quick to follow. Even if the camera stopped at some steps, I hope you still get it. Let me know in the comments what do you think about the look we got, and also don't forget about likes and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! After it dry, we must use a moisturizer. Moisturizer? What? Moisturizer. Benefit most of it our phone lang home.
Deutsch.
Oh, Deutsch für Sie. And that it wasn't too cute. That
Beginner or professional.
Shut up. What? Mai puțină vorbă și mai multă muncă. Less talk and more. I'm confused. What?
Step by step.
No.